In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to configure external axis for Fanuc ROBOT. This video is focused on rotary axis for Fanuc ROBOT because this application is for glue in auto industry. So this is the rotary axis. So first, make sure you have this option, independent axis option. Okay, this is the first step. And the second, look at this picture. So if you want to add additional axis, just one, then the hardware should be 7. Start with the 7. And amplifier, server amplifier should be number 2. This is the standard 1 to 6. Okay, so you follow these pictures. So this is the independent, and for the rotary should be integrated arm. Okay, so this is the first picture you have to pay attention. Okay, the second, you have to need to understand, you master the additional external motor and amplifier. So this is the amplifier. As you can see, this is the label. You have to pay attention. This is the motor for rotary table in these videos. You also have to pay attention to the type and the model. Okay, so after you finish installation and wiring, let's begin. So I recorded a video on site to tell you how to configure for external axis, for rotary axis. So first, you have to enter maintenance mode. So basically, you choose function T, cycle power on, options, control mode. I just demonstrate. Okay. And once you choose log in, you click menu. You click menu, you choose maintenance. Okay. Okay, then we focus on these videos I recorded on site. So first, as you can see, we start here, maintenance. We choose maintenance. Okay. Then the next, we choose menu, F4. So you follow this. Enter standard. You follow these videos. Follow these videos. Follow these. As you can see, after you enter this screen, we choose independent axis. Here, this is default. We choose default, and we choose second independent axis menu, and we choose the first one, main axis card, and we choose the, as you can see, hardware start axis setting, because we have this, we only add 1, so start at 7. As you can see. So add, choose to add axis. If you want to modify, you just modify standard method. And you follow the motor type. Okay, you follow these pictures based on your project. You follow it. This is the motor type, speed, a rotary speed. So you follow the label and the current. Okay. And the type, so rotary, because the video is rotary. And gear ratio, keep default, also default. As you can see, default, also default, also default, because rotary. So acceleration time and deceleration time. follow this. Then enter the amplifier number. Start with 2. Because we follow this picture, I told you, start amplifier 2, okay? So the next type, based on the label, break number. We're back to this one. We choose type 1. Choose default and exit and code start. So this is the entire steps for you to configure the external axis, particularly with the rotary axis. And I just show you or demonstrate for you to have a reference in your project when you commission on site, particularly when you first configure external axis for Fanuc ROBOT. And the linear axis is almost identical. It's a little bit different. Okay, so pay attention to this. So this is the entire videos for you to configure external axis. So hopefully useful to you. If you think useful, don't forget to make a donation. See you next.